Hey everybody, how's it going? So I want to go over a video editing tool that I found today. It's actually pretty cool. What it enables you to do is pretty much turn digital people text to video. So I found it pretty useful for a lot of applications. We're going to walk you through here how to set it up and get going. Create and interact with talking avatars at the touch of a button to increase engagement and reduce costs. What we're going to do is we're going to generate a AI presenter. You could choose a presenter here. They have a bunch of stock ones that you can pick. All right. You can add one. It lets you upload something, or you can generate AI presenter. In here, it looks like it's plugged into some type of stable diffusion. We're going to put Captain Blackbeard, full portrait facing, front facing, hit generate. Okay, so it just like stable diffusion, it gives me 4 different ones to pick from. Captain Blackbeard standing on a pirate ship deck, full portrait, front facing. Like, not really what I wanted, but we're going to go ahead and pick someone's voice. Go with Jacob. That's pretty good. You can preview it in here. I'm going to go generate video. And doesn't look like the face is showing. I think it's because I put standing. Okay, now that we have an avatar here.
For we're homeward bound, from the Arctic gowned, with a good ship taut and free. And we don't give a damn when we drink our rum. With the girls of old Maui. Rolling down to old Maui, me boys.
For we're homeward bound, from the Arctic gowned, with a good ship taut and free. And we don't give a damn when we drink our rum. With the girls of old Maui. Rolling down to old Maui, me boys.
All right, well, that's pretty good. You could generate so many things for this. Go over applications, content for a video game, customer service rep, designing your own Jarvis from Iron Man, adding a face to your LLM bot, then making it talk to you. I guess you see where this technology is heading eventually. Faceless videos on YouTube. You could plug in 11 Labs voice and upload that with certain pictures, avatars we'll just call them, animes, cartoons, YouTube content. As you see, the possibilities are pretty much endless. I just thought I'd show you how cool this new app is, and if you want to go ahead and use it, it's fine. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I just thought it was a pretty cool app. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next one.